Let's talk about happiness. My name is Yashika and welcome to my channel. I am a professional tarot card reader, a spiritual counselor. Yeah, that's it. And I have been thinking about happiness for a very long time, for the last maybe 7 years. And what I've found is this: the more we explore ourselves, and we are living in a day and age where everyone wants to explore themselves, everyone is trying to look at themselves very deeply, which is wonderful. So, the more you explore yourself, the more depth and the more layers you will gain in yourself. Everything that you thought made you happy, everything that you wanted in your life, you no longer want it, it no longer makes you happy. It becomes very superficial, it becomes very surface level. And जब हम अपनी दुनिया एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, जब हम बाहर की दुनिया एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, तो हमको जो भी हम देखते हैं हमें वो सब चाहिए. Everything what we look at, we want it, we desire it. But over time, when you look on the inside, you realize कि every thought, every desire that you have is very very temporary. Even the desire itself is temporary, and जिस दिमाग से, जिस शरीर से वो desire आई है, वो खुद temporary है. Everything, food, money, partners, your family, you yourself, everything is temporary. And I think that nothing really promises happiness. किसी भी चीज़ से हमको ये गारंटी नहीं मिलती that we will be happy. So if there is no guarantee in anything that will make you happy, then what makes you happy? What does? होता क्या है ना, जो वो लेयर्स होती हैं, जो डेप्थ जिनके बारे में मैंने बात करी थी, वो एम्प्टी नहीं है. दोज आर नॉट एम्प्टी होल्स, दोज आर नॉट वॉइड्स. जब हम अपने आप को जानना शुरू करते हैं तो हमारे शरीर से, हमारे माइंड से, हमारे दिल से बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें उतर जाती हैं जो हमको एक ज़माने में लगता था कि हाँ, अगर ये हमें मिल जाएंगी तो हमारी दुनिया खुश हो जाएगी. बट ओवर टाइम वो सारी चीज़ें जो हमको लगा था एक ज़माने में कि हमारे लिए बनी हैं, जैसे जैसे हम अपने अंदर जाते जाते हैं, व्हेन वी स्टार्ट दैट जर्नी टू go back to ourselves, we detach from those things and वो हमारे शरीर से निकल जाती हैं. तो वो जो स्पेस बचती है, अब वो स्पेस जो है वो खाली हो गई है, क्योंकि उसमें वो वाली चीज़ें तो है ही नहीं अब जो आपके लिए बनी नहीं है. And that space is now filled with love, wisdom, non-judgment, acceptance for others. So when you detach yourself from those things which no longer make you happy, you are opening yourself up. You are creating so much space within yourself for others. That space is no longer just for you, it is for others. And you can spend your life helping other people. You can also spend your life giving service to other people, to a big community. But even that does not guarantee happiness. That is something that I've learned. I've been working in this field for the last 2 years, and I have studied all of this since the last 7 years, and I've realized that nothing promises happiness. हाँ, of course, लोगों को छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ मनानी चाहिए, क्योंकि छोटी छोटी खुशियों से ही बड़ी बड़ी खुशियाँ बनती हैं. Small happiness equals big happiness, and that's amazing. But even those small packets of happiness, even they can lose their charm over time. But this is something that I've learned in the past 7 years of my life. Just like everything else in our life, happiness is also temporary. Happiness, sadness, anger, all of the emotions, just like everything else, all of them are also temporary. All of these emotions, happiness, anger, sadness, frustration, they are visitors. They come in your body, they stay for some time and they move on. They are visitors, they are not supposed to make a home in your body. And it is okay for happiness to come and go as it pleases, because it's an emotion, it's fluid, it will flow as it pleases. And the more you try to hold on to happiness, your suffering will become greater. And you know the concept of soul, Atma, in our body. In the last 7 years of meditation, I found, for myself at least, I found that every emotion that we feel, every thought that we think, it is detached from the soul. It is happening to the soul. It is an experience. It is not connected to the soul. It's what the soul wants us to experience. All of it is happening outside of the Atma. All of it. All of it. Every experience that we go through, it is a part of human experience. As I said, our soul, which is not attached to our body at all, or our mind or our emotions, that soul wants us to have all of those experiences for us to become what we must become in this life. I guess what I'm trying to say is happiness is a very minor part of this human life cycle. Before you click off from this video, I would love to say thanks to you who is watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and follow my Instagram account. On my Instagram, I am very active every day, and we can also have a one-on-one conversation. I would love to hear your thoughts about this in the comments down below as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.